Some customers require a moldable glass material that efficiently transmits deep UV light. To address this requirement, we developed the IHU250H, a UV transmitting filter designed for deep UV applications. IHU250H is compatible with standard processing temperatures used for conventional glass materials. We offer a wide range of shapes, such as block materials, ingots, rods, and ball lenses, and are also capable of producing integrated lens arrays. Isuzu Glass has technologies for both glass melting and molding, enabling us to make our distinctive, highly functional glass products. IHU250H transmits UV light, offers excellent weather resistance, and is suitable for molding. It is the optimal glass material for exposure equipment that utilizes UV light. IHU250H is also suitable for UV LED cover glass and other equipment that utilizes UV light.